Excuse me, do you know where the milk is?
Yes, it's over there, in the cold section, near the cheese.
Thank you very much. I'm new here. This supermarket is very big.
Yes, it is big, but it's good. They have everything here. Are you from this city?
No, I'm not. I'm from London. I moved here last week for work. My name is John.
Nice to meet you, John. I'm Sarah. Welcome to our city. Do you like it here?
Yes, I do. The people are very friendly. Like you. Are you from here?
Yes, I am. I live here all my life. This is my favorite supermarket. The prices are good.
That's good to know. I need to buy food for the week, but I don't know what to buy.
What do you like to eat? Do you cook at home?
I cook simple things. Pasta, rice, chicken. I'm not a good cook.
That's okay. Simple food is good too. Do you have a shopping list?
Yes, I do, but it's very short. Milk, bread, eggs, chicken, and rice.
That's a good start. Do you eat vegetables?
Yes, but I don't know which ones to buy. In London, my mother always bought vegetables for me.
Oh, your mother is very nice. Here, let me help you. What vegetables do you like?
I like tomatoes, carrots, and potatoes. They're easy to cook.
Perfect. The vegetables are over there. Come with me. I'll show you.
Thank you so much. You are very kind.
No problem. I like to help people. Here are the tomatoes. These red ones are very fresh.
How do I know if they are good?
Touch them. They should be soft, but not too soft. Like this one. Feel it.
Oh, yes, I understand. It feels good. How many should I buy?
For 1 week? Maybe 5 or 6 tomatoes? You can put them in salads or cook them.
Good idea. I like salads. What about carrots?
Carrots are here. Look for orange ones. They should be hard, not soft.
These look good. How many do I need?
Maybe 10 carrots? They last long time. You can eat them raw or cook them.
Raw? Like this?
Yes, you can wash them and eat them. They are sweet and good for you.
I didn't know that. In London, we always cook carrots.
Both ways are good. Now, potatoes are here. These are good for cooking.
There are many types. Which ones should I buy?
These brown ones are good for everything. Cooking, making soup, or French fries.
French fries. I love French fries. Are they difficult to make?
No, not difficult. You cut the potatoes and fry them in oil. But be careful with hot oil.
I'll try. How many potatoes do I need?
Maybe 2 kilograms. Potatoes are cheap here, and they last long time.
Perfect. Now I need to find the meat section. Where is it?
It's at the back of the store. Come, I'll show you. I need to buy meat too.
What kind of meat do you buy?
I buy chicken mostly. It's healthy and not expensive. Do you eat beef?
Sometimes, but chicken is easier to cook and cheaper.
Yes, exactly. Here is the meat section. Look, the chicken is here.
There are many parts. Which part should I buy?
These chicken breasts are good. They are easy to cook and not fatty.
How much should I buy?
For 1 week, maybe 1 kilogram. You can cook different meals with it.
Okay. Can I cook it with the vegetables?
Yes, you can make a very good dinner. Chicken with carrots and potatoes.
That sounds delicious. How do I cook it?
It's easy. You cut everything small, put oil in a pan, cook the chicken first, then add vegetables.
How long does it take?
About 30 minutes. Not long. You can add salt and pepper too.
I have salt at home, but I need to buy pepper.
Pepper is in the spice section, over there near the rice and pasta.
Good. I also need rice. I eat rice every day.
Really? Every day?
Yes, in London too. My family is from Asia. We eat rice with everything.
That's interesting. What country in Asia?
Thailand. My father is from Thailand. My mother is English.
Wow! Can you speak Thai?
Yes, I can. But my English is better. I was born in London.
Your English is very good. Much better than my Thai.
Do you speak other languages?
I speak a little French. I studied it in school, but I'm not good at it.
French is difficult. I tried to learn it but stopped.
Yes, it is hard. Here is the rice section. What kind of rice do you buy?
In London, I buy jasmine rice. It's from Thailand. Do they have it here?
Let me look. Yes, here it is. Jasmine rice from Thailand.
Perfect. This makes me happy. It tastes like home.
That's sweet. Food can make us feel close to home.
Yes, exactly. My mother cooks Thai food with this rice.
Does she cook for you in London?
She did, but now I live here alone. I need to learn to cook.
You will learn. Cooking is not so difficult. You just need to practice.
I hope so. What about pasta? Do you eat pasta?
Yes, I love pasta. It's quick and easy, perfect for busy days.
What kind do you like?
I like spaghetti. You can eat it with tomato sauce or vegetables.
I like spaghetti too. Where is it?
Here, next to the rice, look, there are many types.
Which one is good?
This one is good quality and not expensive. I buy it often.
Okay, I'll take it. Now I need bread. Where is the bread?
Bread is near the front of the store. Come, let's go there.
This supermarket is really big. I'll get lost without help.
Don't worry. After a few times, you will know where everything is.
I hope so. In London, my local shop was very small.
Small shops are nice too, more personal. But big supermarkets have more choices.
Yes, that's true. Look, so many types of bread.
What kind of bread do you usually eat?
White bread for sandwiches and sometimes brown bread.
Brown bread is healthier. This one is very good. I buy it every week.
Okay, I'll try it. Is it soft?
Yes, it's soft. Good for sandwiches and toast.
Perfect. Now I need eggs. Where are they?
Eggs are near the milk. Remember where we started?
Oh yes, where you showed me the milk. Let's go there.
Here they are. How many eggs do you need?
I don't know. How many do you buy?
I buy 12 eggs, one box. They last about 1 week.
Sounds good. I'll take 12 too.
Good choice. You can make breakfast or use them in cooking.
I love eggs for breakfast, with toast and tea.
That's a nice breakfast. Do you drink coffee?
Sometimes, but I prefer tea. It's more British, you know?
Yes, I know British people love tea. What kind of tea?
Black tea with milk. Do you drink tea?
I drink green tea sometimes. It's healthy.
Green tea is good too. My Thai grandmother drinks green tea every day.
Is she still in Thailand?
Yes, she is. I visit her every year. She's very old but very healthy.
That's wonderful. Family is important.
Yes, it is. I miss my family here, but I like my new job.
What kind of work do you do?
I work in a bank. I help people with money problems.
That sounds interesting. Do you like it?
Yes, I do. I like helping people. What about you? What do you do?
I'm a teacher. I teach children English.
That's a great job. Do you like teaching?
Yes, I love it. Children are funny and smart. They learn quickly.
How old are your students?
They are 7 to 10 years old. Very young, but very clever.
That sounds nice. Do you have children?
No, I don't. But I love working with children. Maybe someday I'll have my own.
I'm sure you'll be a great mother. You're very patient and kind.
Thank you. That's very sweet. Do you have children?
No, I don't. I'm not married, but I want a family someday.
You're still young. There's plenty of time.
Yes, you're right. Now I need to focus on my new life here.
That's smart. Oh, look at my watch. I need to go soon.
Of course. Thank you so much for your help. You saved my day.
It was my pleasure. I enjoyed talking with you.
Me too. Maybe we can meet again for coffee or tea.
I'd like that. Here's my phone number. Call me when you're free.
Thank you. I'll call you this weekend. Maybe you can show me more of the city.
I'd love to. There are many nice places here.
Perfect. Now I should pay for my groceries.
The cashier is over there. The line is not too long.
Good. How much do you think this will cost?
Maybe $50 or $60.
Good. How much do you think this will cost?
Maybe $50 or $60. Groceries are not too expensive here.
That's reasonable. In London, food is very expensive.
Yes, I heard that. Big cities are always more expensive.
True, but I like big cities. There's always something to do.
This city is not too big, but it's nice. You'll see.
I'm looking forward to exploring it. With your help, of course.
Of course. I'll be your tour guide.
Perfect. Well, I should go pay now. Thank you again for everything.
You're welcome. See you soon, John.
See you soon, Sarah. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.